Nuggets?
Okay, this is with the nuggets and chicken team. Okay, here, sir. Okay, so for our first game is what we call the shopping game or Ronald McDonald went to market. So in 2 minutes, we're all going to find things starts with the letter C. Maghahanap tayong bagay na nagsisimula sa letter C. Like your cellphone, camera, etc. Paramihan tayo. Chicken and nuggets team. Okay tayo? Okay? Okay, ready? Ready na guys? Ready? And go! Ano kayo bilis? Start with the letter C na mami.
Ay, ang galing ah! Ay! Sinela! Ayun na, wala sa wood! Wala! Nakawood!
Okay, so hurry up guys! Last 10 seconds, go! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop na po for the... Okay, so nuggets din mo na. Last one.
Text ko siya ngayon na schedule pa gawa ng motor. Kaya nga si
Case 3.
Copy.
Candy 1. Card 5.
Hindi na babalik yung
Card 6. Cellphone 7.
coin first.
Coins 9, then gold 10. Okay, so for the Nuggets team, 10 points. Wala kang mga Nuggets team.
Maramihan mo na item. Ano na ilagay?
Hindi.
Sino panalo? Cellphone. Ang meron mo naman dyan, cellphone. Oo nga, ang cellphone.
Okay, cord 1 for the chicken team.
Charger.
Cord 1. Cellphone 2. Case 3.
Green.
Camera 4. Charger 5. Phone 6. Coin 7. Okay, so for the chicken team, 7 points. Pinakuha mo po natin ang chicken team.
Pero ano like
Winner. Okay, so for our second team, we're still nuggets and chicken team. Chicken team tayo, please. Okay, so for our second game is what we call the longest line. Lahat ng teams alam mo longest line? You know the longest line? Nuggets team. Nuggets and chicken team. Chicken team, you know how to play longest line? Okay, so I repeat, for our second game is what we call the longest line. Nuggets team. Nuggets team. Okay, in 2 minutes, form a 1 long straight line using things na nasa katawan nyo lang, ha? So, party hat nyo. Ganon. Accessories. Okay? Yung line natin, starts here na lang. Pahaba. Okay lang yan. Okay, so ready na everyone? Ready? Okay, ready? Get set, and go!
Hindi pwede. Hindi mo kami laro sa kilan.
Isa na mo, Bing.
Dito nga sa akin.